Today is all about the overlooked side of homeownership. Beyond the price tag of your mortgage, there are several expenses that you need to plan for. And number one is property taxes. They depend on your home's value, often included in your mortgage payments. As your home's value increases, so do your taxes. Home insurance, essential for protecting your investment against damage. It's a must-have whether you're paying off a mortgage or you own your home outright. Utilities, they are all on you as a homeowner. Water, electricity, gas. Costs vary, but energy conservation can help you manage them. Maintenance and repairs. Let's be real. Unexpected repairs are just part of the deal. From landscaping to fixing that leaky roof, setting aside funds will save you stress when they arise. Homeowners association fees. They cover the common area maintenance, amenities, and can add a significant amount to your monthly expenses. Home improvement projects. Many homeowners invest in home improvements to enhance their space and property value. Be sure they're permitted and done right so they contribute to the resale value of your home. Lastly, consider the cost of a home security system for peace of mind. Whether it's smart locks or cameras, it's an investment in your family's safety. Yes, homeownership is more than just mortgage payments. Being aware of these additional costs helps you budget effectively and enjoy your home stress-free. If you found this video helpful, like it, send it to someone who could use it, and I will see you guys next week.